dirty seat that needs to be cleaned. It's actually got dirt all just been filtered up into the seats. It's not into the seats, but it's on the seats. And we at Detail Experts, we actually have a method to where we can actually remove the dirt, recondition the seat, and make it look like brand new. Let me show you. What we start out with is biodegradable degreasing cream. Let it sit on there because you don't want it to damage it. Next thing we do is we steam it, and we use a little brush, scrub brush, and we do real light pressure, not heavy pressure. Then I take a rag and then I clean it. Now that the seat is clean, what you want to do next is what we have at Detail Experts is a premium leather treatment. The difference between this one and Armor All, this is like putting lotion on your skin versus Vaseline, okay? So what we do is that we have this microfiber applicator that we put it on, that we apply it to, and basically what we do is we just apply it to the leather.